Welcome to another video from RXB TUBE channel. If this is your first time visiting our channel, please subscribe, like and comment. Let's go. Welcome to the 5-minute science video series with RXB TUBE. Bubble rings are fluid donut-like shapes that rotate around a center line. This dynamic express a toroidal geometry, which allows us to call these bubbles toroidal bubbles. Toroidal bubbles helps us to understand the universal geometrical dynamics that exist at all scales of reality. These are not your average refrigerator magnets. Neodymium magnets are the strongest permanent magnets available, and, even if you've never heard of them before, you probably use them every day. In the field of information technology, neodymium magnets are particularly used in hard disk drives, mobile phones, video and audio systems of television. They're sometimes called ND-Fab, or neomagnets, and despite being so strong, they're also lightweight, which is why they're popular for a wide variety of applications. It's hard to believe, but without this type of rare earth magnet, many of the technological advances that have taken place over the past few decades would not have been possible. The turtle started tickling the face of another turtle. The fluttering claw movements that turtles sometimes exhibit is most often a courtship ritual or mating dance. It is most often males that exhibit this behavior, but not exclusively, so you can't use this behavior to distinguish between males and females. When some male turtles try to woo females to mate, they approach them underwater, and then one turtle will face the other and flutter or vibrate its front claws around the other turtle's head, right in its face. When female turtles catch sight of this, and are amenable to the invitation, they drop to the aquatic floor. At this point, they are ready to mate and fertilize. If a female is put off by all the fluttering, she may respond aggressively. Mating takes about 10 to 15 minutes, but turtles can spend another 45 minutes beforehand just fluttering and wooing. Think of it as an invitation. The blob with a superpower: cut a flatworm in 4 pieces and watch it regenerate fourfold. Planarians are small flatworms that live in wet and humid areas around the globe. Although these creatures are relatively simple, their small, soft bodies possess one of the most amazing secrets in the animal kingdom. Cut a planarian into as many as 279 pieces, and, within a few weeks, each bit will regenerate into a full new worm, head, eyes, digestive system and all. This incredible ability raises interesting questions for philosophers, who might wonder which, if any, of these worms is the original. And for medical researchers, who are hoping to harness the adaptability of planarians' powerful regenerative stem cells to help regrow tissue, and potentially even limbs, on humans. Mad creepy, but cool. Read more about this video at KQED Science. In 2017, surgeons and neonatologists at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia created an artificial womb that was able to successfully grow 8 fetal lambs for over 4 weeks. One day, this device could help to bring premature human babies to term outside the uterus, but right now, it has only been tested on sheep. The biobag may not look much like a womb, but it contains the same key parts: a clear plastic bag that encloses the fetal lamb and protects it from the outside world, like the uterus would, an electrolyte solution that bathes the lamb similarly to the amniotic fluid in the uterus, and a way for the fetus to circulate its blood and exchange carbon dioxide for oxygen. We make a science video every week, and I will be waiting for you next week. If you enjoy it, like it and subscribe RXB TUBE channel to see more videos. Here are suggested 2 videos you can watch if you wish. By the way, follow us on Instagram, rxb.tube. Good luck.